Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to enable and disable NFC on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here to connection and sharing. Here you'll see the NFC section. Click here once, and to activate NFC you should click here once on this feature. Now we can see that the NFC is activated. If you want to switch the payment method, just click here. In my case, unfortunately I have no another application, I just have only the Google Pay. So if you have another app, you can just switch it here. Also, if you want to turn on the app, just click here once again on the switcher. And we have one more way how we can activate or turn off the NFC. Just first we should open the notification panel, and somewhere here on the top bar, in my case it's here, you should find the NFC icon. Just click here once on the icon to activate it, and if you want to turn it off, click here once again. If you want to launch the NFC settings, just hold for a while this icon, and you can do it by this way just. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.